Hello and welcome to Parris RV. I'm Brett Parris. Today I'm going to show you a brand new floor plan from Shadow Cruiser. This particular model is called a 220DBS, and basically what that means is it's got some really nice double-sized bunks in the back with a center kitchen, center dinette, and a Murphy bed / sofa up front. We're going to get to that in a minute. Let's check out the exterior real quick before we go inside. One thing I love about these Shadow Cruisers is, you know, you've got a nice power tongue jack. Well, guess what? That's a lot better than cranking them. One thing I really like about these Shadow Cruisers, you've got a nice fiberglass cap on the front with LED lights. The fiberglass cap looks a lot better, but it's a lot more durable than having the rolled fiberglass or rolled aluminum on the front. So that's just a real nice upgrade that you get on a Shadow Cruiser. Check out the storage compartment. Number one, it holds up with a magnet. You're not holding out little latches to hold the door, but a great big nice pass-through compartment plus insulated thick baggage doors. You know what that means? It means that you're not going to have the wind rushing up underneath your bed in your bedroom. So plus slam latch baggage doors, pretty sweet. Check out the large, full size awning. This thing is huge. They really put as big of an awning as you could put on this trailer. It's a push button awning. You hit a button and it goes out. Plus it's got a nice great big LED light going across it. So after hours, put your lawn chairs out here. Plus maybe you want to do a little cooking. Check it out. You got a nice outside kitchen. You've got a 2-burner stove here, hot and cold water, place to put your favorite beverage. All comes on the Shadow Cruiser. It's got nice aluminum wheels, two-tone, which are nice. You know, aluminum wheels aren't going to rust. Steel wheels rust. So that's just a nice upgrade that they give you. Plus, Shadow Cruisers have extended season RVing, and what that basically means is that the forced air duct heat goes into the underbelly and it's fully enclosed. So what they've done is the tanks are up inside the chassis, and then they enclose the tanks, and then they take a duct off the furnace and pump it into that compartment to make sure and give you heat, so you have heated tanks, and give you extended camping. Let's go check out the inside. Now we're inside the 2019 Shadow Cruiser 220DBS. Check out the 60 by 80 residential sized queen bed that's in the front of it. You know, when it comes to nighttime, you've got a great bed that you can get around both sides. Plus, check out the, hanging closets here, closets up top, closets here, closets there, reading lights, phone chargers up here, place to put your wallet, put your phone, things up there. They did a really, really nice job of giving you a nice bedroom here, nice big windows. But check it out. You know, if you say, hey, I want to tow a small trailer, a bed takes up 6 feet, right? Well, in a Shadow Cruiser 220, you can go like this and put that out of the way, and then put your sofa up, and here's daytime. You know, you don't need the bed during the day, and you don't need the couch at night. So this gives you a way to get rid of a 6-foot bed, open up this short, small, easy to tow, compact little trailer, and give you a sofa. You know, if you said to me, I want bunk beds, I want a queen bed, I want a sofa, and I want a dinette, we got to go to a 29-foot trailer. Well, in the 220 Shadow Cruiser, having the Murphy bed system, we're able to cut off about 6 feet of that. Nice little armrest comes down here. You got a USB charger, which is kind of nice. Let's check out the kitchen. So you've got a nice stainless steel farm sink, which is real nice, integrated cooktop, which is nice, a built-in sparker. A lot of them you got to light by hand. You know, in appliances, black is standard. In a Shadow Cruiser, they give you stainless, so they give you the upgraded package: stainless microwave, vent cover, oven, and fridge. Real nice storage in here, nice window in here, nice big window over your center dinette. But you can get a TV, which is in a great spot to see from the living area. It does come with the AM, FM, CD, DVD, inside speakers, outside speakers, and you can Bluetooth to this thing. So stream video, stream Pandora, Spotify, playlist off your phone, whatever you want to do. I mentioned outside this thing's got bunk beds. You know, we're here in Utah, bunk beds are super important, right? Well, look at the size of these. Great big double-sized bunk beds. Plus, you've got storage under here, which is nice. Hard to see with the camera, but 3 more storage doors back here. Place to put all the kids' stuff. Still leaving you a nice sized bathroom, which was super impressive to me. You know, when I first saw this floor plan, I walked in, I thought, man, the bathroom's gonna be small. Well, no, it's not. It's actually got a great big shower, full shower surround. It's got a nice sky vent here, nice cover that goes over there. You've got some pretty good counter space. You've got a storage door. You've got another storage spot. You know, you've got a place to hang your towels, put some stuff over here. There's air conditioning in here, vented all the way through. You know, Shadow Cruisers are just a really, really nice trailer for the money. This is a perfect camping trailer to take your family out. If you want to learn more about this or any RV, you come down and see me at Parris RV.